Hi, this is Jennifer F. Charles 12. I went to Weight Watchers yesterday and I can't remember what the weekly was, the pamphlet was about, because they gave us two of them. They gave us next week's and then they gave us this week's. I lost 0.2. I had started the Points Plus last week. I wasn't happy with the 0.2 because usually I lose more on the old program. So today I decided to switch back to the old program because I have a trip coming up to Dayton, and so I want to lose back into the 150s before my trip, and then while I'm on my trip I'll be using the tracking on Weight Watchers on my phone. So I'll be on the new program while I'm out of town, so I can use the tracking. And then when I come back, I'll be back on the old program. And I just, won't lose that good. But before I leave, I want to get up into the 150s because with the new program, you don't lose that well. And I've been trying to get my weight back into the 150s because my weight been kind of up and down, and since I left the hospital I've been staying in the 160s, and so I'm trying to get into the 150s because like when I get in the 150s I get really hungry, and so my body's been liking the 160s. So I'm trying to get back in the 150s. But I do like the tracking online and everything for the Points Plus. I tried to download the Weight Watcher Diary app, but I wasn't real impressed with that app because it was kind of stupid. But I like the Weight Watchers online in the tracker, so I'm going to keep that, but because I get it for free since I'm Lifetime. But yeah, I'm going to switch back to the old program because I'm not going out of town until the end of this month, and so I'm going to for those 3 or 4 weeks I'm going to be on the old program. And then I'm going to save my points for the weekend when I go out of town, so that like if we go to a restaurant or whatever, then I'll, because last time when I went out of town I wasn't able to save my points for the weekend, and I gained like 5 pounds when I was out of town, so I'm trying not to repeat what happened the last time when I went out of town. Okay. And so yeah, the meeting went well. I didn't stay for the whole meeting because I have my kids with me since they're out of school, and so we got there real early for the meeting. So we left maybe 10 minutes before the meeting was over. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. I haven't got all my exercise in this week yet. I worked out Sunday and I worked out Monday, and so I'm going to try and work out maybe Thursday and Friday, or probably Saturday, because I've been doing the treadmill in my house and watching Netflix. And then I've been going to the gym some days and doing weights and doing the Zumba and doing some of the machines there too. So yeah, it's been going well. I haven't been doing a lot of my DVDs lately because of my knees, but because I have the Turbo Fire and I have the Zumba, and I have some other DVDs, but I haven't been doing those. I just been doing the treadmill in my house. Well, comment, rate, and subscribe.